Hello, this is John Mulligan from San Mateo High School, and welcome to my United States history class recording. I wish we were together in person like we normally would during open house, but the COVID closure doesn't allow us to do so. So hopefully this 5-minute video helps, but at the end, you'll be instructed on how you can contact me if you would like more information. This semester, we are covering World War I, World War II, the Cold War, the 1990s, 2000 through 2010, and 2011 through the present. Specifically, with each of these world events, we are looking at how these events or this time period affects things within the United States. Even though in modern world history we cover some of the same things, in U.S. history we cover specific developments in the United States related to these events and how our lives in the United States are different. We are using teacher-created PowerPoint slides that are specifically created for the SAI history class. We are also using YouTube videos from the History Channel and other reliable sources to help increase your students' ability to visually understand what happened in the past, recognize people and their faces with names that we study, and help them to further understand what has happened before they were ever born, but yet still influences their life today. This course is designed to meet both IEP goals, as well as San Mateo Unified High School District graduation requirements. If your student is in this class, it's because they have an IEP, which is an individualized education program. It's a specific class designed to produce instruction at a level that they can understand, to go at a pace which is appropriate for their learning, and allows us to check and recheck understanding. And hopefully your student is enjoying the class. Hopefully they are learning, and I enjoy teaching this subject. This course fulfills the junior year social science requirement. There are 4 years of social science that are required by San Mateo High School to graduate, and this is the 3rd of 4th years. Not only is this course designed to meet high school graduation requirements, it also fits within the community college framework as well as other college requirements. Students will take U.S. government next year, as well in the fall, as well as economics in the spring, which is the final year or senior year of their social studies requirement. If you'd like to learn more about this class and how it fits in with the social science curriculum, you can contact me directly, and I'll show you that at the end of class. You can contact your student's case manager, as well as you can contact the student handbook, which is available online, or there's a paper copy available to you as well. In the fall of this course, we're able to cover why we study history, types of government, and specifically we studied the American Revolution. We connected it to the French Revolution, which happened shortly afterwards. We also were able to study the Civil War. We were able to study Reconstruction, which happened after the Civil War, and these events directly impacted the lives of people today. And part of the main purpose of this class is to connect past events in U.S. history to what is going on today. Things such as the Black Lives Matter movement and other important social developments are directly related to things that we covered in the fall. At the present time, we are studying World War II and how this major event changed our world and the lives of individual people. We're studying individuals such as Adolf Hitler. We'll study events such as Pearl Harbor. But the particular emphasis of U.S. history is on how these world events changed life within the United States, how it changed the economy, how things in our political system changed, how people's personal living habits changed, all because of what is simply called a war. Things change when conflict happens, and that's one reason we give so much emphasis to conflict in the world and the United States in this class. Later on this semester, we'll be covering the Cold War, Vietnam War, the Middle East, and other conflicts that have shaped our world, but have a very particular emphasis upon shaping life within the United States, such as life after 9/11, 2001, was forever different in the United States based on security and how we perceive threats outside of us and how those threats could affect us inside. We'll look at the Vietnam War and how it changed how our views of government are held. The Cold War, how that caused us to change other countries, in particular the Soviet Union, in our thinking. Again, we'll look at how these events shaped U.S. history and how we live. This year, I've been working with students on Zoom. We have a lecture and note format, which allows students to simply listen to and copy what is presented on their screen. Students can receive assistance with tests, making up missing notes, or receiving other support through the office hour session. Students are also able to contact me through phone, email, or Zoom to receive assistance. If you'd like to contact me further about this class, here's my email, jmulligan@sanmatoeunionhighschooldistrict.org, or you can click the link below and that will take you directly to my class. Thank you so much for your time and your interest in your students' academic success. Look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.